Yeah, so the Get Into Resources event is basically a 3-day annual event that we hold, and we have 2 streams of activities. So we have an ATAR stream and a VET stream. I think for me, I'm really aligned with the vision and the mission that we have of just opening 15-year-olds' eyes to what opportunities there are in the mining industry and the resources industry overall.
It's a fantastic event to go to. I think what's set up and the opportunities that are here, and a great way to network with people and get a better understanding of what's out there and where the future is heading. So I would strongly recommend schools, come on down and get an understanding of the resources industry.
I think if I were in that position maybe 20 years ago, I would have benefited it in a way that I would have got to do something engaging and interactive. And I think that's what the plus point of this event is, that the students get to do an interactive activity, get the freebies as well, but also learn about the actual roles that what are available in the resources industry.
Definitely do it. I wasn't sure of doing it, and now that I've come, I'm 100% glad I came. Every activity is fun, there's something different, and even though what I want to do is in medical and it's not mining, I found out that I can actually do the medical field in mining, and I can actually take where I want to be and do that career, FIFO or anywhere in the mining industry.